in use has increased dramatically over the past few decades, resulting in calls for conservation and the development of technology in water conservation and reuse. Philcomtech is a Filipino innovation for wastewater treatment technology that uses non-biological agents to treat and clean and reuse wastewater. Compared to other methods, the Philcomtech system features the following advantages. No foul odor emitted. No enzymes or bacteria needed. Requires only a small footprint. Proven to pass all DENR and international effluent standards. The only STP technology with a return on investment. Here now is the journey of how Philcomtech wastewater treatment technology turns wastewater into water that is ready for reuse. The raw wastewater and/or sewage will go through the multi-chamber sedimentation tank, where the readily settable solid will settle. Fats, oil, and grease will be separated and managed as it flows through each of the chambers. The dosing pump then injects chemical agents to the wastewater to improve the quality in terms of pH, BOD, COD, and coliform bacteria. The wastewater then enters the 1SF, or first stage filtration, where solid particles still found in the wastewater are arrested, where TSS, color, and turbidity are reduced. The wastewater now goes through the mixing tank, which provides a unique mixing process that completes a chemical reaction, improving the wastewater's characteristics overall. Then the wastewater goes through the second stage filtration via feed pump, where a multimedia bed filter captures the suspended solid and ion exchange occurrences take place. Next, wastewater enters the oil and grease filtration, or OGF, where remaining oil and grease are captured and removed through absorption technology. The water now continues into the sediment filter, which acts as a microsieve that clears the remaining suspended solids. Conformance to TSS standards is ensured by this final filter. A high-pressure pump then transports filtered water to the reverse osmosis membranes. While in the reverse osmosis membranes, the water enters partially permeable membranes that remove many types of remaining dissolved solids, chemicals, viruses, and bacteria. The water then passes through the pipe, which simultaneously injects a disinfection agent to eliminate and control the growth of pathogenic microorganisms. By now, the water has been completely treated to pass the standard parameters. Finally, the wastewater enters the chlorine contact tank, or CCT, where the water is mixed, stored for reuse, and/or discharged. The system is also controlled by a relay logic controller, which is custom configured to automate the system process, detect warnings, and monitor the performance of the system. The Philcomtech non-biological wastewater treatment technology is a safe, fast, and convenient way of turning wastewater into ready-to-use water, promoting sustainable development. This system is brought to life by the innovators of Miraga Trade Center, bringing clean water to anyone, anywhere.